what is religion actually is? What religion actually is? What does it signify? In order to understand what religion actually is, we have to go to its Sanskrit corollary, the Sanskrit objective. The Sanskrit word for religion is Dharma. The Dharma has two connotations, or you can say two objectives or two meanings, so to say. One aspect of Dharma is the laws that has been given by God. The Sanskrit word goes like Dharmang tu shakshad bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means the law that has been given by God Himself. Shakshad bhagavat pranitam has been given by the Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself. That's why Dharma cannot be concocted by anybody. And we can see that all those personalities who spoke about religion spoke about the same thing. They all spoke about our actual identity being spiritual. They all spoke about God, who is the supreme, and they spoke about another reality beyond this material nature. So this way we can see all the prophets, the sons, the saints, and even God Himself comes and spoke about the laws that He has been given. And everybody, every human being, especially the civilized human beings, are expected to follow or abide by those laws. The Sanskrit expression goes, Dharmena hina poshubhi shamana. Those who do not have dharma, those who are not abiding by these laws given by the Lord, they are like animals. Poshubhi shamana. So human beings, civilized human beings, are meant to follow the laws that have been given by the Lord. That's one aspect of Dharma. Now, another aspect of meaning of Dharma is that Dharma means the inherent characteristic or qualities of substance. Like, for example, liquidity is the inherent characteristic of water. Therefore, Dharma of water is liquidity. Fire's inherent quality is to give out light and heat. So this characteristic of giving out light and heat and the ability to burn, these are the inherent characteristics of fire. Therefore, these are the dharma of fire. So in this way, every substance has some inherent characteristic, and that is the dharma of that substance. Now, the living entities are spirit souls. So the spirit soul is a substance, and the dharma of the spirit soul is to love God. So that is the dharma of living entities. Wherever there is a spirit soul, wherever there is a living entity, we see that it has a tendency to love somebody. Like we find that mother loves a child, the husband loves his wife, the son loves his father, friend loves his friend. So this tendency to love somebody is inherent in a living entity. But the objective of the love, which is to derive joy, and every body's intention of loving somebody is to derive some joy out of that relationship. Now, although in this material nature, through all these material relationships, we try to derive joy, but we do not really experience that. Eventually, all those loving relationships either break or turn into immature, improper termination. So, why? Because the inherent quality of the soul to love is actually meant for loving God. He is our supreme source. We are His parts and parcels. He is our supreme beloved. And therefore, our main objective is to love Him. And when we do that, when we develop a loving relationship with Him, then our heart becomes completely content and our life becomes full of meaning. So the real purpose of Dharma is to love God. Now, this aspect of Dharma is called Sanatan Dharma or eternal Dharma. The Sanskrit word Sanatan means eternal. So this is the eternal characteristic of a living entity. Since the living entities are eternal, the soul is eternal, therefore the dharma of the soul is eternal, and therefore it is called Sanatan Dharma. So this way we have two aspects. They are actually not two different aspects, these are two phases of the same objective. The first consideration is to follow the laws that have been given by the Lord. And the purpose of following that law is to bring us to the platform of loving God. And that is the ultimate Dharma. That is the ultimate relationship. So, to go back to the original point, what is the purpose of religion? The purpose of religion is to develop a loving relationship with God. Thank you.